Global project Together Let's Save Tuxpan's Lake, from Rotary Club Valle de Iguala. Restoration, sanitation, conservation, and sustainable development. Tuxpan's Lake is located in the municipality of Iguala de la Independencia in the northern region of the state of Guerrero. It is the largest and most important freshwater wetland of this entity. It currently has an essential ecological and productive function in the region, in addition to its high landscape and natural value as a lake area for tourism development and more recently for real estate growth. The lake is vital both for the local fishery and traditional fruit production in its adjoining wetlands, as well as for its environmental services as a crucial area in climate regulation in the Iguala Valley. However, since its decree as a dam lake and as an essential part of an agricultural irrigation unit and storage space for water for human consumption since the late 1940s, it has suffered a serious deterioration in its rich biological diversity and environmental quality. All of this has been caused by the growing deforestation of the soils in its main micro-watersheds of supply and the contamination of its waters and soils, coming from municipal solid waste and wastewater from a disorderly urban growth in an important part of its periphery. This has caused the loss by silting of about two-thirds of its depth and significantly damaged its quality and availability of water for productive uses and especially for human consumption. The project we seek to develop is a comprehensive strategy for the restoration, sanitation, conservation, and sustainable development of Tuxpan's Lake and its micro-watersheds of supply, which seeks, through a process of environmental education, training, and technical advice, to reverse the processes of deterioration of its resources and contain the loss and contamination of its soils and waters to ensure better environmental conditions in the lake. The objectives of the project are three. 1. Develop and execute an intensive process of environmental education for the population, with a comprehensive approach that sensitizes, raises awareness, and generates a significant change in the current environmental attitude and responsibility. As well, invite them to participate in the environmental management work actively and responsibly for the restoration and sanitation of the water and soils in the micro-basins of Tuxpan's Lake. 2. Create a training process about technical advice and citizen participation in the design, construction, and maintenance of sediment containment works, the sanitation of ravines, and the productive and forest restoration of degraded soils in the main water supply micro-basins of Tuxpan's Lake. 3. Install communally a local nursery to produce diverse native plants, both for the purposes of agricultural productive restoration, as well as for the hydrological forest restoration of degraded soils and greening, with multiple approaches to human settlements within the lake's micro-basins of Tuxpan. Finally, it will be necessary to formalize a citizen advisory council to guide the entire process of restoration, sanitation, conservation, and sustainable development of the lake. This project is particularly important for our club since it has been predicted that Tuxpan's Lake will be completely dry in a matter of years if we can't stop its deterioration. The lake is the largest and most important freshwater wetland of our entity and a very important nature tourist spot. Let's save together Tuxpan's Lake. Global project Together Let's Save Tuxpan's Lake, from Rotary Club Valle de Iguala. Restoration, sanitation, conservation, and sustainable development. Tuxpan's Lake is located in the municipality of Iguala de la Independencia in the